Breaking news in the battle against COVID. Just moments ago, Moderna announced that it's requesting emergency use authorization from the FDA for its vaccine for children as young as 6 months old. Trevor Alt starts us off. Good morning, Trevor.
Good morning, George. A lot of parents have been holding out hope for this to happen pretty soon, as right now the youngest Americans who could get the COVID vaccine are 5-year-olds receiving the Pfizer shot. But Moderna now says it's safe to give their pediatric vaccine to kids from 6 years all the way down to just 6 months old.
Breaking developments this morning in the fight against COVID. Moderna is asking for FDA authorization to give the vaccine to the last group of Americans still ineligible, young children as young as 6 months old.
This is a safe vaccine. We've shown it to be safe in this study, in this age group, and it has good protection, good production of antibodies.
Last month, Moderna announced positive data on 2 doses of its pediatric vaccine, reporting it generated a strong immune response similar to that seen in adults, reducing the risk of being infected by 51%, and there were no significant risks.
Great job!
It's news many parents of young kids have been waiting to hear. Emmy Feidel is a mom of 2 boys, ages 4 and 1. Her oldest, Sam, has asthma and has been hospitalized for the cold virus.
We've been kind of living in Groundhog's Day every day for 2 years.
And there are some worrying trends. 29 states and territories are reporting increasing hospital admissions, and in the coming weeks, the national total is forecasted to increase for the first time since January. Dr. Anthony Fauci says the pandemic is not over, but the crisis has shifted to a far more controlled phase.
We are certainly right now in this country out of the pandemic phase. Namely, we don't have 900,000 new infections a day and tens and tens and tens of thousands of hospitalizations and thousands of deaths. We are at a low level right now.
Now, Dr. Fauci did later clarify those comments, saying we're out of the acute phase of the pandemic and are now in a more controlled phase. And as for Moderna's authorization request, that process typically takes about a month from request to rollout. But this week, the FDA will set a date for a meeting to consider it. George?
And Trevor, what more do we know about Vice President Kamala Harris? We know she tested positive for COVID earlier this week.
Well, we know when she tested positive, George, she was said to be asymptomatic, and it appears she's still doing well. The second gentleman tweeted out a photo of Vice President Harris at her desk working from home. He says she's feeling good. She certainly appears to be in good spirits, George.
Well, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.